Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to delete multiple contacts at once on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Contacts app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen. Then tap on Edit. And from here, just select the contacts which you want to delete. Just like that. Now as you can see, I have selected 5 contacts. Now to delete these 5 contacts, just tap on Delete. As you can see, delete 5 contacts, then select Delete. And as you can see, we have successfully deleted the selected contacts on our smartphone. But if you're using Google Contacts instead of Oppo's own Contacts app, first of all, just open Google Contacts on your smartphone. And from here, just tap and hold on the contact to select it. Now just select the contacts which you want to delete. As you can see, I have selected 4 contacts. Then tap on the bin icon at the top of the screen. Then select Move to Bin. And as you can see, we have successfully deleted the selected contacts on our smartphone. And this is how you can delete multiple contacts at once on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.